Guess what? You don't have to burn fat just on the treadmill. Today we're gonna go over top 5 bodyweight exercises you can do at home. The only thing you have to do to burn fat, to do cardio, is to get your heart rate up. Bodyweight exercise can do that, treadmill can do that, bike, lots of different ways. Today we're gonna show you bodyweight exercises.
Let's get it. First exercise is simple. You've done it in PE class. We're gonna do it right now. Jumping jacks. Feet together, arms by your side. You're just gonna jump out, arms up, and then jump back, arms by your side. And then you're gonna do that fluid. Try not to let your heels touch the ground at all. Try to stay bouncy on the balls of your feet. And also try to breathe in and out of your nose the entire time. There's different reasons for that. But if you need to breathe with your mouth, that's fine. Keep it soft, keep it fast. Jumping jacks are great. Next up, we got high knees. We're gonna do, this is the more basic one, right? This is just to get the hips warmed up, get that crossbody pattern with the arms, and then you begin to make it as if you're actually running. Same thing, try to breathe in and out of the nose, try to keep it nice and strong, maybe go for 20, 30 seconds when you're doing this. Keep that pace, and then rest. Right, your heart's probably beating right there. This is the biggest thing when it comes to heart, to burning fat. You wanna get your heart rate up, boost the metabolism, burn that energy throughout the day. Next up, we have squat jacks. So it's like a jumping jack without the arms, and then it's a squat. So you just squat, and then you jump, feet together. Jump back out, squat, feet together. Try to keep your heels on the ground the entire time. Don't let your knees collapse in when you do that squat. These are great. You're also building some strength here. So this is even better because you're getting that squat, you're getting that resistance. Next up, we're coming down to the ground. We got mountain climbers. Push-up position. Bring the elbow towards, or the knee towards the elbow, or even higher up to the triceps. He was just doing the basic one. Then he tried to make it fluid. Boom, boom. Foot touches the ground and it goes right back up. Right? Don't round your back here. Keep it nice and fast. Keep it nice and strong. Mountain climbers are great. Since Brady's down, we're gonna do burpees. Many of you may hate burpees. That's fine. Burpees suck, but they suck so good. Now we're gonna do the full burpee with a push-up. You bring the feet up and then you jump. And then you come down, step up, burpees. Now you can get rid of the push-up if it's too hard, and so you come down, don't do the push-up, and then you just come up, boom. You can even make this harder with different ways. We're not gonna do it in the hard ways. Burpees are probably hard enough for you. Get that heart rate up, get that fat burning. We also have Bodyweight Beast, an amazing program created by Coach Brian that gives you a huge amount of exercises to do to burn that body fat, to build muscle, to get mobility, stability. Coach Brian does a great job in Bodyweight Beast to give you all of those tools, so go ahead and check that out. I'm Coach Zach, here with Coach Brady, and we'll see you next time. Yeah.